The Southeast governors are playing dangerous game on the lives of Ndi Igbo in Aso Rock. No be small thing, no. When I remember say this set of people we call themselves Southeast governors come outside inside the last 2 or 3 months ago and tell us say that they are going to see Tinubu so that Tinubu will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As a court, many courts for Nigeria don't talk say make they release him. Say the man no do anything. These people, they no go anywhere and don't have no intention of releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or even talking about of releasing him. Our brother, whether they call Nosonkwa, don't catch chain, can't give them. We go play on the video. As that one they happen, they say that the lost tribe of Igbos in Jamaica. They say these people don't begin they come home as he be now for this video. He say he don't start even the farm for in farmland and also crowned a prince in Ebonyi state according to this video. As that one they happen, one of our sister, whether they call Chidema, become the winner of Miss Universe, which is Miss Nigeria or Taraba. He representing this particular one. So he took first on it. So this Chidema was one who are participating in the Olympic for South Africans before they come up. That is not South Africa. So is not going to participate and is a Nigerian. Then these particular people now see her and pick her up immediately. So congratulations to her for winning, for being Miss Universe Nigeria this year. So guys, now so a debut and I will say more bring a conscious. So I'm going to play you the video of our brother from Jamaica who become the first prince from Jamaica, the Dutch tribe, the first prince that come back home. Just watch.
Okay, the first Jamaican to be what?
Yeah, this is Crown Prince. I'm the first Jamaican to be Crown Prince in Igbo land.
Okay.
That's in Ebonyi state.
Right.
In the Surrey.
Okay.
So, as the son said, we are coming home.
Yes.
So I'm already started farming in Igbo land.
Wow.
And we are doing some cooking for the children and for breakfast and the elderly farming. So
thank you so much.
Coming home.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay, my wonderful people, as you they watch that one, they bring this our sister, what they call them, they give you. May you see, I see they celebrate the moment when you win.
In Mexico, the winner of tonight's competition, Miss Universe Nigeria 2024, is no other than Miss Taraba.
My people, no be smoke girl as this our sister don't win this thing. Some South Africa don't talk to internet. They talk how legitimate is this girl identity in Nigeria. That Nigeria is trying to spy and condemn South Africa. He don't say to abeg would they watch how this thing go to end. But however, let us go and look waiting our brother Nosonkwa talk about the governors in Southeast, what they are doing to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Hamadike one of Ndi Igbo. Watch the video.
Odima Igbo Chideke Kalamacho ezima puliche Igbo disamage manaka na eba hinu ugbu a na enweta onwe goto aka mse nabata kpokpom n'oge ihe omume anyị. Chibo anu ọzọ bụ nke na-abịara gị naanị na Nosonkwa ọchịwọ. Na mbụ anyị chọrọ ibu ụzọ lebagodo anya kpọmkwem na okwu ụgha juru ndị gọvanọ ala Igbo n'ọnụ dịka o si metụta Nnamdi Kanu. O nwere mgbe anyị na ebe a na-ekwu ekwuru m ya ekwu. Mgbe ndị gọvanọ ala Igbo bịara nwee meeting, enwe stakeholders meeting n'ala Igbo, ndị ndu ala Igbo agbakọ, ndị gọvanọ enye ọtụmatụm si na ha ga-eje ịhụ Tinubu maka Nnamdi Kanu. This is over 2 months now. This is over 2 months now. Yeah, this is the second time. That was the second time when the governor Libo na-ekwu okwu ije hụ onye isi ala. The other one wu mgbe ha si na ha ga-eje hụ Buhari. That was in 2023. Yerukwe earlier middle of this month. He pụtakwa ọzọ kwuo na ha ga-eje hụ Tinubu maka Nnamdi Kanu. And I told our people, these people are not serious. Ihe na ndị governor Libo. It's only that most of you are got the kind of political mentality our so-called governors nwere. Gịnị ji ha? Ọ bụrụ ndị governor Yoruba kwuru okwu na ha ga-eji hụ Tinubu or hụ Buhari that time, ha na-eje. There we go. Immediately, a na-egburu oge. A na-egburu oge. Governor ihu onye isi ala is like a phone call. It's like a phone call. A governor to see a president is like a phone call, especially a president which is another presidency. Now, whatever in age. So, for the past 2 months now, or even 3 months now, the governor Libo mechara that meeting hamere n'Enugu. Si na ha ga-eji hụ Tinubu maka Nnamdi Kanu ka eweghachite nchekwa n'ala Igbo ka eme ka ala Igbo juo oyi. Ha agala hụ Tinubu? Mba. They will not go. Enwere ike nwe ofu onye ma mmadụ ebuo n'ime ha na-anụ ọkụ n'obi ka eje hụ Tinubu, mana ndị nke ọzọ bụ ndị nọ n'otu pati APC nwere ike gbado ije hụ Tinubu ụkwụ si na ha ya eje ha cool down. Akpọ meeting maka ya si cool onu down. Maka na ha nwere gịnị? Ha nwere ulterior motive na-aghọta ebe anyị na-eje. Ha nwere ebumnobi ọjọọ. Na ha pụtara mgbe asị na ha ga-eji ihu Tinubu maka Nnamdi Kanu, all just to calm the nerves of ndị na-amarọ ndị ha bụ. Ịma ha chere anyị bụ olodo. Ha chere anyị bụ ndị iberibe, anyị amala ife. We know that Southeast governors cannot hụ na Tinubu because of Nnamdi Kanu. Because ndị nọ n'isi ha as leaders of the Southeast governors ala Igbo, ha wụ ndị dowere Nnamdi Kanu ebe a. Ihe m na-agwago bụ eziokwu. Ndị anọ n'isi Southeast Governors Forum, who had dowere Nnamdi Kanu there. That is the truth. So, the governor Libo Putra, we want to go and see Tinubu because of is a lie. They will not. They are afraid that Nnamdi Kanu Putra, their popularity will diminish. They are afraid that Nnamdi Kanu Putra, he will assume the position of the Governor General of the Southeast. That is the problem. And that is why they can never. Ishai Koreana Kishimonagale bet here now. No, Ishai Bayaka bet. And the governor Libo will never go and see Tinubu because of Nnamdi Kanu. Since they called to see, seek for political solution. Kedundi question the political solution. Over the governor Libo. Now, Senator Enyinaya Baribe, the inner caucus of the Senate, submit a letter with the Attorney General of the Federation. Come by her lodge a letter, and you know her response. Mba! Now got an age. Many House of Rep members, numbering about 50, Mandu Gunea, Mandi Yorubania, Mande Kibonia, they have protested, they have asked, they have moved the motion. Can federal government release Nnamdi Kanu? Come by him move the motion Urota and release Nnamdi Kanu. Mba! Ndeji Ndi Governor Libo. If you don't know it now. Ndeji release Nnamdi Kanu was Southeast governors. Maybe 1 or 2 or 3 of them. Yes, 1 or 2 or 3 of them not a ruling party. But he got because you are not following the trend. So what are we saying? That Oburu Nandi Bocho can release Nnamdi Kanu. There are certain things we must do. We must go back to God. We must go back to Chukwokika Biama. It is only Chukwokika Biama that has the right, that has the power, the authority to touch the heart of a king, according to what the Bible tells us. So Chineke nwere ikikere imetu obi onye eze aka. Onye eze obi ekpokoro obi adegano obi ade pererere. Ye eme ihe Chineke chọrọ, mee ihe ndị mmadụ chọrọ. That is the truth. So in Rokanga na-eche mgbe ndị gọvanọ ala Igbo bịara atọhapụ Nnamdi Kanu nye is a lie. All the same da na-achọ ka atọhapụ Nnamdi Kanu na-akụso ọgba aghara na-akụso enweghị nchekwa n'ala Igbo. Agba kpam asị yes, ọwụ IPOB. Agba kpam asị yes, ọwụ ndị otu Nnamdi Kanu, so that they will use it. They keep Nnamdi Kanu there. Ebonyi said on the phone, I said, you have seen it, Your Excellency. We are even planning to come and see you. But his boys are now killing people in the southeast. His boys are now doing this in the southeast. Oh, how? But you got rota. Oh, how on our course here? Oh, how on our course here? That is the mentality, the politics, and the those are not the Yoruba and Achi and what Leni Henda Nemo. Lay hand in these undi baby benda nemo has an undibo. Lay hand nemo. The current crop of Igbo leaders I want to now. Fear! Ihe jibara Igbo onye aghala nwanne ye. Mana ọ bụrụ maka ndị leaders n'ugbu a n'ala Igbo, ha aghala nwanne ha tinyejara. Ha aghala nwanne ha tinyejara. And it's a big shame. It's a big shame that at this point, aka na-ekwu okwu agato hapụ Nnamdi Kanu, ma waga hato hapụ Nnamdi Kanu. At this stage, at this point in time, aka na-ekwu okwu Nnamdi Kanu. When ndasi ndị mere ihe o mere are free. When ndasi kwuru ihe o kwuru are free. But because of selfishness, clannishness, amaghị ihe, illiteracy of ndị kpọrọ onwe ha ndị ndu ala Igbo, ọ ihe ka dowere Nnamdi Kanu dia ruo today. Ama mi na ghọta ebe m na-eje dịka ọ dị mkpa na ịghọtalụ m. Anyị enweghịzi okwukwe n'ebe ndị South East governors nọ as far as ịtọhapụ Nnamdi Kanu is concerned. Ka anyị werezi okwukwe anyị ahụ chinye Chineke n'aka, ka anyị were okwukwe anyị ahụ chinye Chukwu okike abịa ma n'aka, because ndị be anyị si ebe nwata na-ebe akwa atụ aka ma nne ya anọghị ya, nna ya ga-anụ ya maka na akụkata aka n'obi egosi ndị mmụọ ebe ndị dị mmadụ. Ndị be anyị siri okenye adị anọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ọgbịrị, mana ndị gọvanọ ala Igbo anọrọ nọ n'ụlọ ewu amụcha n'ọgbịrị nwụọ n'ime ọgbịrị ọ mụrụ n'ime. That is the pathetic situation we have found ourselves in Igbo land with this crop of leaders I want to hear. Fear.
People, share this video as it is hot, and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates. Don't forget to drop your own opinion in the comment section. Let us know what you think as it done the happen though